In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this sat maths problem. It's under graph. Okay, so let's get started. The question says the scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables x and y. A line of best fit for the data is also shown. So this is the graph. Okay, say at x equals 32, which of the following is closest to the y value predicted by a line of best fit? Okay, so I don't think we need a calculator to solve this question. Just basic understanding of the concept of graph and you'll be good to go. So we have x equals 32. So when x is 32, when you trace it, when x is 32 here, your y is between 2 and 3. So I want 2 basically. So the line of best fit is at this point, is close to this point of intersection. Okay, close to this point of intersection. So basically you can say that the right answer to this question will be 2.4. okay, that's the answer. Basically that's the answer, option C, 2.4. Alright, since the line of best fit is between 2 and 2.5 thereabouts, so the right answer is 2.4, option C. Okay, so this basically can solve problems involving line of best fit. So it's as simple as this. Hopefully there's something interesting from the video. This question is straightforward. Let's quit the video, guys. We don't need a calculator to solve this. Okay, if you are new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, you share parts of the membership by clicking on the join button to get information on how to solve the sat maths problems we'll be dealing with. Okay, so having done this, click on the next button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.